Another example of using the product rule to differentiate when you have two things multiplied together. So here we have two terms multiplied. We know it's multiplication because there's a multiplication sign, but even if there wasn't, even if it was written like this, we should understand that these are two terms that are multiplied together. So we use the product rule. And the first thing we do is identify our two terms, u and v, and then differentiate them one by one. So if I say u equals x to the power 4 over 3, and v equals e to the power 3x, I can differentiate u simply by multiplying this power by the coefficient 1. So it would be 4 over 3 times x to the power 4 over 3 minus 1. So remember, what you do is you always subtract 1 from the power. So 4 over 3 minus 1 is 1 over 3. And now to differentiate the exponential, the derivative of an exponential is always the exponential. It's untouched. We don't touch the power, we don't touch the e. So v dash is simply e to the power 3x. But because this isn't x, it's a function of x, we need to use something called the chain rule to multiply by the derivative of 3x. So this is the chain rule. So you want to multiply by the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So that's v dash. Now we have u dash v and v u dash. We can put them together into the product rule, and that will give us our final expression for dy by dx. So dy by dx equals u dash v, so that's these two multiplied by each other. So it's 4 over 3 x to the power 1 over 3 multiplied by e to the 3x plus u v dash, so that's this multiplied by that. So let me move these out of the way. So it's x to the power 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 e to the power 3x. So that's your final answer for dy by dx. You can't really simplify it, although it would be nicer if this coefficient came before the x. So I think I will rewrite that like that, because we expect the coefficient to come before the variable. It doesn't matter, it's correct either way. So that's your final expression for dy by dx. That's how you differentiate an expression where you have two terms that are multiplied together. Even if you don't see a multiplication sign, when you have an exponential and an x, they have to be multiplied. So that's how you use the product rule.